Let me guess, your OneDrive is always full and it's becoming annoying, so you want to get rid of it. Well, in this video, I will show you how you can disable it and how you can remove it. So to disable it, you will down here, click it, go to settings and click on unlink this PC. You will unlink your account, and now, as you can see, your OneDrive is not connected, so it's disabled. Now, if you want to remove it, it's very simple. All you have to do is come here to search, type remove programs, click it, and in this box where it says search this list, you will type OneDrive. After you've typed it, you will come here, click uninstall, and you just removed OneDrive from your PC.